Well, family, unfortunately, this brings us to the formal conclusion of our conference. But if you wouldn't mind, would you take a moment and thank the organizing team behind this? Team, if you could put your Zoom hand up. We're going to embarrass you for a moment. Chris and I may have initiated this, but we absolutely could not have carried any of this off without Diallo and Dan, Larry and Barbara and Dwayne. If you know how to use your Zoom emoticons, feel free to use them. It has been a joy and an honor to serve you, and we're blessed. We're blessed to have this time together with our family. We've said this a few times, and we hope that this day has proven to you that we do not see this as a one-time gathering. We're praying that this is a interactive, independent network being birthed with God's servants at the helm. So we want to thank you for being with us. And now for one last time, may I please pray the blessing of Psalm 67 upon us and upon our world? Would you join your hearts with me? May God be gracious to us and bless us, and may he make his face shine on us, so that your ways may be known on earth, your salvation among all the nations. May the peoples praise you, God. May all the peoples praise you. May the nations be glad and sing for joy, for you rule the peoples with equity and you guide the nations of the earth. May the people praise you, God. May all the peoples praise you. The land yields its harvest. God, our God, blesses us. May God bless us all, so that all the ends of the earth will fear him.
Amen.
Amen.
This is the formal end, but you're welcome to stay around and chat. We've been enjoying this after hour time. I heard someone refer to it as the afterglow, which really blessed my heart. We're going to share the recordings of the conference later. We won't be sharing that chat, so hopefully you went ahead and saved your chats. And if you want to save any and all part of your chat today, please make sure to do so before we close the room out. But in the meanwhile, we're going to be here, and I hope you'll consider joining us if you have time. God bless you richly.
A reminder of that tentative date for the next conference, April 17 through 20 of 2023. That's the tentative date for the continuation.
Amen. God be with you. And we look forward to seeing you more in email and in more conversations and in more intentionality. Let's get this done. Let's join forces, people.
Yeah.